Hi guys, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn about producer acknowledgement and Kafka topic durability. So let's first focus on producer acknowledgement. First point is producer can choose to receive acknowledge of data writes. That means to have the confirmation from the Kafka broker that the write did successfully happen. So we have three settings and we have x equal to 0. Producer won't wait for acknowledgement possible data loss, which means that the producer is not even going to wait or ask for the acknowledgement. That means that we have a possible data loss, because if a broker goes down we won't know about it. Second one is x equal 0. Producer will wait for leader acknowledgement, limited data loss, which means that the producer is going to wait for the leader of a partition, and that is very important that it's going to wait for the leader broker to acknowledge, and that means we have limited data loss. Third one is x equal to all, leader plus replicas acknowledgement, no data loss. In this scenario, the producer require the leader as well as all replica in sync replica to acknowledge the writes, which is going to provide you a guarantee of no data loss under certain circumstances. Next one is topic Kafka topic durability. For a topic replication factor of 3, topic data durability can withstand 2 broker loss. If you have a Kafka topic with a replication factor of 3, then the topic can withstand 2 broker loss. In block diagram, we can see that we lost broker 102. We still had the topic data available to us because it was on other broker. As a rule, for a replication factor of n, you can permanently lose up to n-1 broker and still recover your data. It means if you choose a replication factor of n, then you can permanently lose up to n-1 broker and still have a copy of your data somewhere in your cluster, and that is a very important feature of Kafka. So thanks for watching this lecture.